What is this activity called? I bet it's not what you think. Watch till the end for the right answer. Learn and choose the correct standard English sentence. A. I'll see you the day after tomorrow. B. I'll see you next tomorrow. The answer is A, the day after tomorrow, which correctly means 2 days from now. A. We gave him a warm send-forth. B. We gave him a warm send-off. The answer is B. Send-off is the correct English expression used for a farewell celebration. A. I saw him yesterday. B. I seen him yesterday. Saw is the correct simple past tense of see. So the correct answer is A. I saw him yesterday. A. Me and Sarah went home. B. Sarah and I went home. I is the correct subject pronoun here. The correct answer is B. A. He ain't coming today. B. He isn't coming today. Ain't is considered non-standard in formal English. The correct standard English is he isn't coming today. Level 2. Choose the best answer from the available options to complete the sentence. She dashed through the examination easily. Answer is A. Sail through means to complete or pass something easily. Security officers must stay alert at all times. The correct expression is stay on alert. You must dash if you want to pass the exam. Buckle down means to work seriously or focus hard. So the answer is you must buckle down if you want to pass the exam. His rude comment dashed to injury. His rude comment added insult to injury. Please stop dash in the street. Answer is please stop honking in the street. Honking is the correct word for sounding a car horn. Level 3. Verb. A. They are seeking for help. B. They are seeking help. Correct answer is B. Seek does not normally use for before the object. A. I ordered for food. B. I ordered food. The verb order does not usually take for in this context. So the answer is I ordered food. A. She discussed about the problem. B. She discussed the problem. The verb discuss does not take about before the object. The correct option is B. A. She solicited support. B. She solicited for support. Solicit is directly followed by the thing being requested, without for. A. She demanded for respect. B. She demanded respect. Demand takes a direct object, so for is unnecessary. So the correct answer is she demanded respect. What is this part of the body called? It's called calf. What is this called? It's called cowlick. What do you call this? It's called ring. What is the horse doing? It's galloping. What is this called? Drop the answer in the comment below. I hope you've learned something new today. Now, try to apply it in your daily sentence construction and start speaking like a pro. Don't forget to watch the next English speaking practice video and also subscribe to this channel for more.